Inside of this package right here is why we always tell you guys to hunt on eBay for good deals.
For $376, we have a 1660 Ti and an i5 9400, and for the price, that's really dang good. But did we actually get what we ordered? We're gonna open up and find out. But first, a word from today's sponsor. Attention PC builders, do you wanna save money on your Windows activation? Well, today's video sponsor, GVG Mall, has you covered. An awesome online marketplace with game keys and also Windows licenses.
It's awesome how easy it is to activate Windows. You literally just buy a key on GVG Mall using code TB20 to get a really good discount, and from there you literally copy and paste the key into Windows and boom, you now have an activated version of Windows.
You can get Windows 10, Windows 11, and a bunch of other different keys at GVG Mall, and be sure to use code TB20 on checkout to save money on a Windows 10, Windows 11, or any other key from GVG Mall. Big thanks again to GVG Mall for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get into it, shall we? So there's an interesting story when it comes to this computer. I bought it on eBay for $376 after shipping. It was actually a little bit less. I think it was like $10 for shipping. It features a 1660 Ti and i5, but the seller says that they were selling their son's gaming computer when they went off to college, and kind of weird. But then they also DM'd me afterwards and said, hey, I have another one if you want it. And I'm like, why do you have two of these?
Yeah, that just reminds me of the classic, like the messages you always get on like Facebook and Craigslist where it's like, hey, I can send my movers to come pick this up, you know?
Really weird.
It's inside of a, was there some Earl in this thing?
There might be some Earl.
Racing box?
Yeah, it's an old HP pre-built, I believe, like one of the older acid green pre-builds. It's not the old Pavilion or the Pavilion we know and love. It's slightly different, but with these specs for the price, can't complain. No power cord.
The whole thing?
No.
Dang,
When's the last time that happened?
That's a first, I feel like. Okay, so acid green Pavilion. McAllister loves these things. He has just edited so many of these, which this one doesn't have any of the underglow features that you would normally see there.
Yeah, it's an older version for sure.
Yeah, a little more basic, but I mean, we get some decent input-output in the front. You know, the back is very basic. You only have a little bit of USB, and then obviously you can do up to 3 monitors with that 1660.
And they did upgrade the SSD and RAM. The RAM is 32 gigabytes. I'm not entirely sure what the SSD. Oh, it's a 1 terabyte SSD. So they did upgrade that.
Definitely a smoker, I'll tell you that much.
Do we got a
little bit of?
Oh boy, Jonah. He's like, I'm good.
Jonah said, "Not my lungs, not my lungs."
Not my lungs.
All right, let's see what the inside looks like.
There we go.
She dusty.
Actually got a little dust action.
Okay, so we have a single fan. This is a 1660 Ti, huh?
That's what they claim.
Nice and little. I mean, hey, I've seen some pretty crazy single fan cards. It does actually have like a little bracket here to hold it, which is interesting for a single fan. We have dual channel RAM and it's G-Skill. What the heck? So they took out the original stick, I guess?
I guess, is it dual? Yeah, so it's dual channel. They just swapped it out.
A 2 terabyte 660p?
Hold up.
Did she not list that?
No, I don't think they listed that. So let's get this thing open so we can see this better.
Yeah, that's a 2 terabyte. One of those Intel, where are we stuck? Oh, is this the one we have to take the...
There we go.
Or I just broke it.
Or you just broke it, one or the other.
Yeah, you know what? That's what that drive's gonna make up for.
The listing says 1 terabyte, so...
Huh, so she might have not even known what her son had. Mom, I need 2 terabytes for Fortnite.
Mom!
And that's what it said. It was only used for Fortnite and Google Docs.
Yeah, Fortnite and Google Docs.
What do you need 2 terabytes for? And we have a couple of connectors on the back here. So we got our SATA. Wow, they just have like this stuff all kind of bundled up. Well, I'm gonna do my best to show you guys this without taking all this out. Yeah, look at that SSD right there.
Dang.
2 terabyte.
2 terabyte.
And that's a good drive too. The 660p's, are those Gen 3?
They should be Gen 3, yeah.
Yeah.
Because that's the one I have at home that we won at that Newegg party.
Yes, that was crazy. And then we have a WLAN Wi-Fi adapter back there. So this probably has Wi-Fi and maybe Bluetooth. What is this power supply? 80 plus platinum.
Platinum, baby.
Platinum, and I think, okay. We're looking at 400 watts. Actually more than I thought.
That's honestly, I was expecting like 300 maybe.
Let's see what this RAM is too.
While you're doing that, I'm trying to find the Bloimatron. This isn't like a bad dusting compared to the last one we had on the channel, but it needs a little bit of love.
So this is G-Skill AGs, and it's 16 by 2.
So yeah, 32 gigs.
32
yeah,
gigs.
32 gigs.
2666.
Yeah, they upgraded to 32 gigs, but they only said they upgraded to 1 terabyte, so I don't know why there's 2 terabytes.
Well, this feels like an even better deal if this thing works.
Yeah, so if it works, it looks really good on paper. I guess we'll just test it in its current state, because if you bought this, I mean, well, first of all, you're gonna have to get a power cord if you don't have a power cord, but we have plenty of those, PCBros.tech. We're gonna play some games on it, see what it can do. We got plenty of room for games, so we're gonna install some more games than we normally do, and see for $376 after shipping. Did we get a good deal? We should not have done this in here.
Okay. All right, ready to see if it works?
I'm ready to see if it explodes.
It's probably gonna have, I mean, we have no lights, I don't think, so we'll just hear some fans turn on.
Oh, look at that.
It sounds good. We got to do a little cleaning on the outside too, but it sounds like it works. Normally if something doesn't work, you know, you get like the really fast ramping fans, but I mean, this sounds like we're good to go.
Yeah, sounds pretty good. So let's load it up with some games. We'll do a little bit of wiping down, clean it up a little bit. This isn't like warranted of a deep clean montage or anything, but we'll get it cleaned up a little bit and play some games on it and see if we got a good deal.
All right, guys, we're playing Warzone, and we are currently at 1080p, and we are running a balanced preset with AMD FSR 3.0, which is
new and improved.
It's new and improved. I don't know where I was going with that, honestly, but yeah, these are the preset settings.
And also, FSR 3.0 comes with its own version of frame gen, so if we want to test that at some point, if you die, you could turn that on, you might even get more FPS.
But yeah, we're playing some Resurgence in Warzone, so don't worry, guys. We'll get a couple of chances when we inevitably die.
You might notice as well, the MS Afterburner says 9400F when we said 9400. It's an F. They were wrong.
It is, okay. I mean, you know, it says as a graphics card, I'm not too upset at them.
Yeah, not too bad.
If we didn't have a graphics card, we would not be in luck right now.
Oh, someone steal their kill. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I found it. Yeah. Oh, this don't look too hot. Got him.
Oh, he's pissed. He said, "What the frick?" But he did not say frick. I've already gotten my bearings lost. I don't even know where that guy just was.
There.
Oh, I should have not started shooting so quick. I didn't even see the dude and just started instantly shooting. That dude got me with
with
a good shot from far away before I pushed him. Bro, where? No!
Warzone!
Level 200. What is that, a platinum gun? I don't even know what colors these are. Well, I guess that was, I was in a horrible spot apparently. Well, that was Warzone. I mean, at the balanced preset with some FSR, we managed to get 80 to 90 FPS pretty much the whole time, so pretty good so far.
Next game! All right, gamers, we are now in Fortnite. 165 frame rate limit performance mode, epic view distance, slow textures, and not too shabby so far. We'll see if things settle out once we land, but pretty good performance for this little PC. I mean, considering we paid, what, $376 after shipping for this computer, temperatures are pretty solid. The 9400F isn't getting too hot. It's a relatively quiet system. All in all, pretty good find.
That person tried to pre-fire you.
Oh! Yep, there goes all that shield I just got. Should I bail out the shockwaves? Probably. Am I gonna fight? Ah!
Oh, easy prey. What the heck is this 3-round burst?
The burst is kind of sweaty.
Oh. We got a runner.
I got one. Why'd you try to push me, bud? Oh no.
Oh, is that the briefcase?
That's the turret. Ah!
That was a big bounce. You both are playing the same game.
I got the advantage. Here we go. Yeah!
Woo.
What a battle. But yeah, guys, Fortnite. 200 plus FPS at times. I would say a fair average would be like 130 plus, because looking off here, it's looking pretty good, but then when you like look at nothing, it's in like the 200s. So kind of all over the place, but I can comfortably say 144, 130 plus FPS, no
High
problems in
refresh rate.
Fortnite. High refresh rate, baby. But yeah, let's go ahead and switch to our built-in benchmark, 3D Mark Time Spy, so you guys can see how this compares across the board. I have a feeling it's going to do really good. We'll also show you guys another bonus game. We'll just play a little bit of Halo and show you guys what that looks like as well. But yeah, all in all, for the price, looking pretty dang good out of the box. Let's get into it.
All right, guys, we just got done benchmarking our eBay gaming PC, and it actually performed really well. I'm very impressed that for the price that we paid, we got a free upgrade. I mean, 2 terabytes, that's a whole extra terabyte than we paid for.
And obviously with our 3D Mark Time Spy score, the results show the great value that this PC is with a score of 6,032, which ends up being a 6 cent per point for a pre-built PC. That is really good bang for the buck. Now, if you want to hunt for one of these themselves, you can check that link down below and be an affiliate. It will help us out. Obviously, we got kind kind of lucky with this listing, but that's what we like to appreciate you guys. If you guys go on eBay and search for gaming PCs on the regular, you can find some really good gems like this. And also in Halo Infinite, by the way, it did get 80 to 90 FPS on medium settings at 1080p. So this thing is ready to play any game you throw at it at 1080p medium high settings, and you'll be very happy with it. But yeah, let us know what you think of this find in the comment section down below. And if you guys found anything interesting as well on eBay, let us know.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other two YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/toastybros. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
This PC right here will be available at PCBros.tech at great price.
At great price. It won't be suffocated like we were trying to do with it right there. We almost suffocated it. It's gonna be working just fine at PCBros.tech. Use code TOASTBROS2 and check out, save 2% next purchase. McAllister, make the PC blow up.